Hi, good morning, everybody. How are you? My name is Attorney Charles Zavala from Zavala Texas Law. We are an immigration, criminal defense, and a small business law firm here located in beautiful Houston, Texas. Today I have a video for you regarding immigration. It's going to be very important for people who have DACA, who are eligible for DACA, or who have TPS, which stands for Temporary Protected Stay. So it's a really interesting video. So let's see here. Today is Friday, March 5th. It is 6:55 a.m. As you notice, I have my lights on in my office, which I normally don't because I usually get the sun from outside, but it's not up yet. So the reason why I want to make this video, I was reading this last night, some news. So now that the Biden administration has come into play, they have been saying that they are going to come out with a large immigration reform that's going to benefit a lot of people, right? They're calling it almost like they're saying that it's going to be a path to citizenship for many different type of immigrant classes, including DACA, people who have TPS, things along those lines. So we've all been waiting for it, right? And we've had a lot of people calling us, telling me, hey, you know what, has a reform happened yet, or blah, 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 blah. Unfortunately, no. But yesterday we got some news, right? So I was reading this is from thehill.com. It's just a news site. So apparently last night or yesterday, from the House Democrats, from the House of Representatives, they introduced a bill. So for laws to come into play, the House introduces it, then has to get approved, then approved up on the way top. So this is the first start. So yesterday, the House Democrats introduced a bill that is going to provide citizenship to dreamers, okay? And remember, this doesn't mean this is law, right? This just means that they're proposing this. So now they have to vote, they're gonna make edits, they're gonna change. It may not even happen, but this is a step in the right direction. Okay, so let me just read you a little bit about what it says. So it says on Wednesday they introduced a legislation that would provide a path to citizenship for people who are dreamers, or DACA, right? They're calling this the American Dream and Promise Act. It would give these people known as dreamers and people who have temporary status to be able to apply for citizenship. That's fantastic. We don't know exactly how they're going to do it. Like I said, we don't know if they're going to approve this, but this is what they pushed forward, right? So let me see here, any information. So this is definitely going to be great for anyone that has DACA or is a dreamer or has TPS. This legislation, assuming there's no problems with it, everyone approves it, which never happens, this could provide a path to citizenship for 2.5 million people. That's a lot of people, man, right? 2.5 million. So the 2.5 million are people who have DACA or TPS, temporary protected status. It says, I'm trying to read just to make sure I can get you all the good points. So this is, I don't want to say in addition to, because earlier Biden was saying that he was going to create a path to citizenship for up to 11 million people. This one, if this passes, this is only for people who have DACA and TPS. And they're saying also for people who have deferred enforcement departure, which stands for DED. I haven't read that part yet, so I'm not going to put my stamp of approval or tell you that my eyes have seen that. So this plan right now would be for 2.5 million people. At one point, Biden said he was going to create some reform to have 11 million people. Maybe that's going to come later down the road. Who knows, right? If he was going to try to do it right now for 11 million people, there's chances that he would feel some pushback from either Republican Party or people who aren't on board on this. So, in summary, this is good news. This is something that we've been waiting for. Like I said, this doesn't mean it's going to happen. This doesn't mean that, I can now start to apply. This just means that, hey, the people who make our laws in our country are starting to talk about it, and they're starting to push things forward. Okay, so we need to keep track of this, and we're always going to make videos. We're always going to be talking about updates that happen that are going to benefit you guys. But this right now, I think, is a good news, especially for an early Friday morning, because it's going to apply for a lot of people who have DACA. And sorry, the reason why I'm looking over here is because I have my other computer screen. So it's called the American Dream and Promise Act. So this is something, right? So if you have DACA, if you have TPS, or if you have something like that, this would be something that you want to keep your eye on, or just subscribe to our videos, our channel. I'm gonna make a video about it when it's happening, when it's ready to rock and roll. Okay. So if you like this video, if you have DACA, if you have TPS, share this. We want this message to get out, because once this does become law, and people who have DACA, who are dreamers, who have TPS, who are eligible to apply for citizenship, Zavala Texas Law is here to help you. Okay? So once again, I hope you all have a beautiful Friday. Unfortunately, it looks very foggy today in Houston, but no matter where you are, I hope you have a beautiful day. You can call us at the phone number listed below. We're more than happy to help you. Like I said, right now, we can't, unless this law passes, we still can't help people who have DACA to get to citizenship, so just sit tight. But like I said, when this opens up, we're going to come out with videos. We'll come out with information that's going to be beneficial for everybody, okay? So once again, please like, share, thumbs up, everything that social media allows, and we'll keep on making these videos and answering the questions you have, okay? So everybody, I hope you all have a beautiful weekend. My name is Attorney Charles Zavala from Zavala Texas Law. You can find us on any social media platform under Zavala Texas Law. I hope you all have a beautiful weekend, okay? Thanks and have a great day.